Do you want to know what's worse than getting your fast food order wrong? The awkward dance of deciding whether to check it while Karen behind you is already laying on her horn. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Let me ask you something. Should you check your fast food order before you pull away from the drive-thru pickup window? Because I'm pretty sure this question has caused more existential crises than what is the meaning of life. Because here's the thing. I've been to a lot of fast food restaurants in my day, and I'm not bragging. I'm just confessing and maybe doing a little therapy. And while most orders are correct, it is incredibly frustrating when I pick up a large order from my family, drive all the way home, and then discover we're missing a hamburger, a chicken sandwich, fries, whatever it might be. And it always seems to happen at the most inconvenient times. Like when you've got a car full of hungry kids, or you've got people waiting at home for their favorite meal. Drinks are usually right because they're just sitting in there in the cup holder. They're totally visible, judging you for your life choices, but at least you know that all your little soldiers are there. But everything in the bag, that's Schrodinger's Happy Meal. It's simultaneously existing and not existing until you open it up at home. Now, I get it. When I get my food, I just want to move along, don't you? You don't want to hold up the line behind you. You want to get home while the food is still hot and eat everything while it's still fresh, or at least while it's technically edible. But because of past mistakes, and especially when you're driving home, you're stuck in this awkward spot. Sure, you could drive back to the store if something's wrong, but let's be honest, you're probably not going to do that because now you've got to deal with them trying to figure out your original order, whether you really paid for it or whether you're trying to run some kind of elaborate Big Mac scam. So now I'm usually inclined to check my order at the drive-thru window. But it's not that easy. It's hard to see into the bag and audit everything like you're some kind of fast food forensic investigator. Even if it only takes 20 or 30 seconds, suddenly you're just sitting there at the window like you're trying to solve Rubik's Cube. The employees are staring at you through the window, wondering why you're not moving, and the people behind you are starting to put their hand up to the horn. Here's the real situation that's happened to me, and it was frustrating. I ordered through the McDonald's app, pulled up to the speaker, gave them my code like I was accessing a secret government facility. They confirmed my name. I drove up to the window and received my order. But they were missing a smoothie, which is an easy one to catch because it should be a separate cup, right? So I say, hey, I'm missing a smoothie. And they ask, what's your order number? So I give it to them. Then they ask for the confirmation code. Suddenly they're telling me they can't find it. Then they ask, well, what did you order? I tell them a strawberry smoothie. And they say, all right, we'll just make you one, as if they were doing me a favor. Like I'm out here running a smoothie scam. Like I've got nothing better to do than scam McDonald's out of a $5 drink. And this is what baffled me. They clearly had my order 10 seconds ago because they gave me everything but the smoothie. If the missing item had been something inside the bag, a burger, nuggets, a muffin, anything, it would have been a total mess. I'd probably still be there arguing about it like it's a deposition. So now I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I become the person who checks every single item while a line of cars builds up behind me like I'm causing a traffic jam? Or do I just trust the process and deal with the consequences later, when the kids discover their 6-piece McNuggets are actually a 4-piece McNuggets? Here's what I want to know. Do you check your order before pulling away, or do you just pray to the fast food gods and hope for the best? Hope that your spouse doesn't flame you for not checking the bag before you left. Because here's the reality. Their systems are not bulletproof. If they were, we wouldn't be having this conversation. We'd all be living in utopia where every order is perfect and the ice cream machine dispenses 24/7. But we don't live in that world. We live in this world where you have to decide whether it's worth the social anxiety of holding up a line to make sure you actually got your 2 all-beef patties. And if you had problems, maybe you just decided it's easier to absorb the occasional mistake for the sake of speed. Maybe you've made peace with the fact that sometimes you're going to get someone else's order. Somewhere out there, someone else is eating your Big Mac and wondering why there's extra pickles on it. But me, I'm tired of playing the fast food roulette. I'm tired of getting home and realizing I'm one McChicken short of a complete meal. So yeah, I'm checking my bag, and if the person behind me doesn't like it, well, they can wait the extra 30 seconds. I did not drive through this line and spend $20 to play a guessing game. So let me know in the comments, are you checking your order with me, or are you living dangerously? What's the strategy for you? Peter Von Panda, out.